Hi, today I'd like to show you Custard Pie by Led Zeppelin from their Physical Graffiti album. It's another great Led Zeppelin 12 bar, really handy to have in your repertoire, to go to jams and play something new and different. It's actually really easy. It sounds like it has a complicated timing, but the phrasing is just a little late in a couple spots, so it's easy to find. It's in the key of A, but it works out really good for G open, which is where I am at. G, D, G. I'll play it for you, and then I'll slow it down and explain it. So we start off with an A chord, 2-2 on the low string and the middle string, and we hit that 3 times, down, up, down. Then A6, when we add this note here, the 4, on the middle string, that becomes an A6 chord, right? And this is actually an A7 when we add, or I'm using my little finger, or you can stretch this one up if you want, on the 5th fret on the middle string. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And you can feel that the accent is on the first one and on the last one. And then there's a little lick. A chord again, open G string, A chord again. So it does that 4 times to start the song, and then it does it 4 times as a beginning of a 12 bar. So that might mislead you if you don't listen to the song all the way through. When I played the demo there, I just did it as a 12 bar. So we go up to the 4 chord, which is D. That makes sense. We hit that and we let it ring for 4 beats and 1 more. So 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So as long as you wait for that 1 to come around, it feels like you're going to miss it, but you aren't. Then this lick works. And you can do that down, up, down. I like it down, down, down. It sounds better to me. And it seems to help keep the timing. So I'll put that together with lick 1. Do that one more time. 3, 4, 1. So, and we do lick 1 twice. And then we go to the 5 chord, which is E. We hit that, and there's another timing thing, but this time we move ahead, closer. I'll show you what I mean. 2, 3, 4. So it's on the and of 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So as long as you're tapping your foot and you realize that it's on the and, you won't throw yourself off. And you might want to do that as an upstroke actually, because down, up, up, sort of being on the and. So here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go back to lick 1 twice. There's no extra turnaround in the song. That's the whole 12 bar. So 4 lick 1s, 1 lick 2, 2 lick 1s, and then the 5 chord, and then lick 1 again. That's all there is to it, and it's a great jam song. So I hope you have fun with that. By the way, I'm playing a plank today, and this is a fretted plank, and I've got a little video. I'll put a link to it down in the description in case you want to make one of these yourself. They sound pretty good. What's neat about this particular design is it's really easy. You don't need a saw. I mean, you can do this as a fretless thing with a piezo if you want, and that costs like almost nothing because you don't have to buy a fretted neck. Or if you do frets, of course, you've probably already made something like this. The nice thing is you can take the neck off and you can put it on a box or a different plank or a for sale sign or keep out sign or anything. You can be as inventive as you want, and any flat piece of wood will work. This happens to be a piece of basswood, which is a bit of a tone wood. So before I go on too long, you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy playing Custard Pie.